Good morning, everyone. My name is Nalaksita, and you can call me Nasha. I go to school at One Bantu Junior High School. Okay. Have you ever felt confused how to use whisk bottles around you? Don't worry, I will show you how to make a fun little windmill from a whisk bottle and 2 ice cream sticks. To make it, we will need a painted whisk bottle, a bottle cap, 2 ice cream sticks, a skewer, a pen cutter, a scissors, thread, and glue. I will tell you how to make it. First, make small holes in 3 parts with a cutter. At the top, middle, and bottom of the bottle. Then, make a hole in the middle of the 2 ice cream sticks. Insert sticks into a skewer and make the sticks into an X pattern like a pinwheel. Glue the sticks, then dry it. Next, insert the thread from the middle hole to the top. Pull using a scissors. Then, that thread on the skewer. And insert the skewer from the top hole to the bottom. After that, roll the thread on the skewer. Then, tie thread and make a pull with a bottle cap that has a hole. Finally, a fun little windmill from a waste bottle and 2 ice cream sticks is ready to use. Thank you for watching and listening. See you!